Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change password on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on Face ID and passcode. Then go ahead and type in your passcode. Now scroll down the page, locate and click on Change Passcode. Now to change your password on iPhone, go ahead and type in your current passcode. Now you'll be prompted to enter your new passcode. Then if you want to use 6-digit passcode as your password, go ahead and type in the 6 digits. Otherwise, click on passcode options and then select 4-digit numeric code. Now go ahead and type in your new password. Repeat the password again and then hang on for the password change to saved. Once the password change is saved, then you are good to go and your iPhone password is now changed. So that is basically how to change iPhone password. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.